Shoot him. Full of buck brush. Coming this way. I think it's the same duck. Did you see some sit down over there? Figures. Ooh. Shoot him. Okay. Oops.
That's a big wood duck.
That was a lot of burnt powder for poor results. It doesn't get much easier than that, does it? He turned around and came right down in on us. All right.
He did it dirty.
Stay, Rosie. No bird.
He had a hard U-turn right up there.
He did. He liked what he saw, didn't he? Oh. That might. Oh. We're coming back. Rosie.
I think I hit that second.
You did. Fetch him up, girl. Good girl. Ooh, can't put 4 in there.
What's that?
I said I can't put 4 in there. Good girl. Yay! Good doggy. Bring it back. Good girl. Good girl. Good. Come here. Come here. Drop it. There you go. Wait, Rosie, you got another one. Come here. Come on, we got one more. Come. Come. Come here. Heel. Dead bird. Back. Back. That's a Rosie. Back. Rosie, back. Ah, come on. There you go. Good girl. Fetch it up. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Thank you. Good job. Ooh, that's a stud.
Yeah, it is.
Load up. All right, guys. There we go. We on the boat. We on the boat.
One was to come in and land right while she was out there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, one sat down on the other. I didn't see him leave.
Huh. Well, okay. Those look like teal. Maybe not. They didn't look cracked out enough to be teal. They were. They looked a little smaller, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm real proud of her for, well, I mean, she marked your bird good, and she was able to find that one in there. That was a good retrieve. Good job, Rosie. She's doing good. She's not to the same level Elsie was, where I sit down and have coffee and she'll come back with my ducks when she's ready.
Yeah.
That was a good retrieve.
You remember Elsie? She would get out of your pickup truck in the morning and just lay the massive steamer.
Immediately.
God.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's Mallard. Come on back, buddy. He's coming down. I swear that's the same duck. That's like the 4th time he's done that to me. Just farts around and flies away. Jim. There he is right there. I should just be quiet. He is almost in range.
He paused. He hit the brakes.
It's one of those, if you were standing out there in the middle. Yep. Yep, yep. They went down the creek, coming around behind us. Now, do we shoot the Woodies or wait for the mallard? Bird in a hand. Man, I blew that. I didn't get my gun mounted good. Stay, no bird. Hopefully that mallard didn't hear that. They did the same thing, didn't they? We're gonna get a little more action, I think.
What's that?
I think we're gonna get a little more action. Oh shit, that's the same wood duck. Stay. Duck.
Really?
Right over us, duck. He's going around behind us. He put his feet down. He's behind us. Right over us. Don't move, Jim.
Don't move. Don't move.
Be still, Jim.
Dad, be still.
He's cupped up. He's going down to the creek. I think he went down to the creek. All right, come on, Jim.
Here, I'll get it.
Stay, Rosie.
Well, we managed to scrape out a couple of wood ducks here. My buddy Connor, his dad Jim, is running the camera for us because some of us shot ducks today and some of us didn't. But a different area of the rice that I've been hunting on is back over there. But we've been seeing ducks circle this area a bunch, so we decided to come hunt here today in the rain and did pretty good. Had a good time.
Well.
Got these ducks to do it just right, come over the trees, landed right in our face. Had that same daggone mallard, I think it's the same duck, came over 4 or 5 times, feet down, just wouldn't finish, but we'll keep after him and we'll get with it. So, good hunt today, hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I'm Bruce, he's Connor,
Nice
Jim's behind the camera, and this is Foul Play Outdoors. Thanks for watching.
Cheers.